All right, so here we are. We're gonna advance. We're gonna go into strengthening. Now we can kind of challenge your body too. Now remember, just because we're ending here doesn't mean you stop. There's so many more exercises that we can add on. We'll be here forever. Depends on what you want to do at the end, right? What's your end game? If you're trying to get into golf, then you should be rotating. If you're trying to play with your grandkids, then you should be adding some kind of deadlift or good mornings, right? But point is that you want to make sure that all the stuff that you're doing, you're working to your function, whatever that might be. Could it be a sport? Could it be just a movement at home? You guys decide on that one too. But I want to show you the progression of what we did before. Now remember, there's so many libraries of exercise that you can do. We're here to keep it very simple so you can repeat it and replicate it. So we're going to go back to our crunch. And when we go into our crunch, we're just going to put a little bit more pressure. So same thing too, we're going to tighten up our transverse abdominis, right? And you're going to go ahead and put your hand behind your head. So the traditional crunch that we were doing, all we're doing is just curling up, clearing the shoulder blade up. The only thing we're going to add is go ahead and lift your legs up in the air. Good. All right, so now you can go 90-90. Okay, so do a couple of crunches for us. Good, exhale, inhale. You can bring your leg up and drop it a little bit. Good, good. Okay, so you guys can lift your leg up. Remember, as you struggle, you want to make sure you tighten up that stomach. You can take a break over here. So I would add that 90 degrees. 3 sets of 15 to 20. I'm looking for high reps on this one, okay? If you're barely making 10, it's too hard for you. You're gonna hurt your back. Don't do it, you're not ready for it, okay? Go back to the old video and just work on that foundation until you're up to 15, 20 reps. Second one is bridging. So we're gonna advance the bridge. Go ahead and lift your tush up and then come on down. All right, so what we're gonna do over here is let's go ahead and lift your leg, left leg straight. Go ahead and lift up. 1, 2, come on down. So now you guys can add some holds. Let's hold it for 3 seconds. 1, 2, come on down. And what you should feel is the same thing too. Your foundation is there, tightening up your stomach. You should feel like you're pushing off that right heel. Okay, let that focus be there. Let's go and switch it up. Perfect. So same rep count here, guys. You want 3 sets of 15, you can take a break over here. Just really feel it. Really make sure that you don't have any pain, but your stomach, your back, you're starting to feel fatigue. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and go on your hands and knees. So now, because it's a little bit more of strength focused, we're gonna aim for 12 reps. We're not gonna show you the whole 12 reps, but we're gonna go back into that bird dog or quad swim, whatever you wanna call it. We're gonna start on the, for a better view, let's start with the left arm, right leg up. Go ahead. 1, 2, come on down, and right back up. So we're gonna aim for 12. 2, exhale, inhale, 3, exhale, inhale. Now as you see, it's getting a little tired, so I want you to slow it down a little bit, bring it back up, perfect, now go. There you go, good. Give me 2 more. Good, just get a little tired, this is good. Good, and take a break. All right, so I want you to aim for 15 reps. Remember, form is super important. If you're losing it, then just, sometimes you just gotta give up. That's where you're gonna get hurt. Making sure that if you can keep the form, you can keep the burn, keep it moving. So we would normally go to the other side, finish it off, but there's no need to. You guys pause this, go ahead and finish out those reps. Remember, 3 sets of 15 to 20. If you're at 20, we're doing another harder routine, okay? And then the last one is, let's get into that plank position. All right? So before you go, let's just rest for a second. When you get into a plank position, we're gonna add some movement. Again, we're just putting more pressure on the spine. So go ahead and sit up in that plank, stomach tight, transverse abdominis there, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna lift your right leg up, hold it, 1, 2, tap the floor. 1, 2, tap the floor. Good, keep it going. So you guys can advance it, now switch it up. Give me 5. You guys can advance, you can switch it, you can alternate it, your call, okay? This could be a time thing, you can put a watch, but just to give you some, you can take a break. Just to give you guys a little clarity and break, 3 sets of 15, let's keep it consistent, right? 15 reps, take a break, go again. Don't force the issue, don't force pain, as you kind of heard so many times. okay? But remember, form is what's important, all right? So I hope you guys go ahead and complete that. I hope you guys enjoyed it. For me and from Karina,
Thanks guys for watching.
I'll see you guys.